Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, your one-stop place to improve English in a fun and easy way. In today's video, we're going to practice simple English questions and answers on everyday topics like hometown, hobbies, school, and daily life. These are common topics in English-speaking tests and conversations, so make sure you listen carefully and repeat after me. Speak with me, pause when needed, and try to give your own answers too. The more you practice, the better your English will get. Ready? Let's begin.
What is furniture? Furniture means chairs, tables, beds, and other things we use in our home. It makes our home comfortable. What furniture do you have at home? I have a bed, a sofa, a dining table, and a wardrobe. They are useful and comfortable. What is your favorite furniture? My favorite furniture is my bed. I feel relaxed and sleep well on it. Where do we use furniture? We use furniture at home, office, and schools. It helps us sit, sleep, and work comfortably. Which furniture is important in a bedroom? A bed and a wardrobe are important in a bedroom. They help us sleep and keep clothes. Which furniture is important in a living room? A sofa and a table are important in a living room. They make it comfortable for guests. Do you like modern or traditional furniture? I like modern furniture. It looks simple and stylish. Can we make furniture at home? Yes, some furniture can be made at home. People also buy furniture from shops. How do we take care of furniture? We keep it clean and avoid scratches. This makes it last a long time. Why is furniture important? Furniture is important because it makes life comfortable. It helps us sit, sleep, and work easily.
Great job, everyone. You did amazing practice today. Remember, learning English is all about daily speaking. So, try answering these questions about your own life again after this video. You can even comment your answers below. I love reading them. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more English practice videos every week. Keep learning, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next video.